Hey guys, I just want to show you our recent reno. We're just starting one today. Yesterday was the settlement, and so Shell's here with the tradies disconnecting. Our electrician is here at the moment disconnecting, and the plumbing's got to get disconnected. I think it has got disconnected, and we're just coming up with a plan. We've just altered it slightly, so I'll just show you around. So this is the front. We may change that front door to here, so that's be a nice aesthetic look to the house. Always making the door at the front where you can see it is a plus, but if it's not feasible, then we won't do it. So this is a 3-bed 1 bath at the moment. I'll just take you through here, so take you through downstairs. So this is not legal height under here, but it's quite a big room, and so what we're thinking of is if we can get it certified, we could probably put 2 bedrooms here, and then over here make a kitchenette ensuite, which then it'd be a 5-bedroom, right? 5-bed, and I'll show you upstairs. We're going to make an ensuited room, so it could potentially become a 3-bed 1 bath into a 5-bed 3 bath, which is big uplift, right? Of course, you got to check with the agents and make sure the demand will pay more for that sort of stuff. That's where the ensuite will go in there, because there's all the plumbing here. So I mean, like a cutout in the floor. And then we'll just plumb the sewer, all that to that ORG there. And of course we'll have to move the hot water system, but this is the garage, so there's enough space here to put vehicles. Still not having to worry about that ensuite space that's going to get taken up by that ensuite, so we'll fit vehicles in here, so it'll still be a 2-bay garage. I'll just show you around the outside here, and so this is it's a bit messy here, but we'll get all these trees cut down, and that's the back, the side back sort of thing, and there's a fence there. These will all get cut down and we'll rock everything. It'll look all pretty. This will all get rendered. We've got a functioning, relatively new air conditioner, so that's a big saving. Normally we'll put them in. You can get away with it sometimes in Brisbane during the winter time, not air conditioning the whole house, but this one we don't have to worry about. So going upstairs, it's an internal staircase. So we'll go up here, and so that's the kitchen lounge. That's the dining room. This wall here has to stay because it's load bearing. It's quite a big cost to take that wall out. You can see the kitchen's been demolished. Yeah, so that's all happening. So that what will happen there is we'll get we'll actually make the kitchen. We'll open this wall up, and then the kitchen will come out here, and this will be the island bench, and in there will be the dining room space. So that's pretty good. So this is a little trick here on making en-suites with existing bathrooms. So you see here, when there's a main bathroom like that, and then a separate toilet, the trick is and you got a bedroom there, which is quite a standard layout, is to close this off, right? Put the door there, and then this becomes the ensuite where the toilet is, and that becomes the main bath, and then you just put a door here into the main bath. Right, so that becomes 2 bathrooms automatically just by using that toilet, and that's so common. It's really cool. Doesn't cost that much to do. This will all get ripped out, and start again basically. And there's a few different ways you can rearrange these bathrooms. You can put a walk-in shower there, or just leave it the way it is, but it'll all be done brand new. So these are the other two bedrooms. This is the main now, but it won't be the main later. But you see, it's more or less like a walk-in robe, which would be good as a second bedroom. That'll be really good. So the main will become the ensuite room here at the back. Still quite a big room, spacious. So there'll be two good rooms, and then we've got the front room here as the third bedder, which has got the built-ins as well. So that's the plan. 3-bed, 1 bath, maybe perhaps into a 5-bed, 3-bath, and 3-bath and 3 toilets. So it's really good. It's not a huge house, but it'll be quite functional when we're finished with it. And being in, I didn't tell you the suburb at the start, but it's Chapel Hill, which is quite a sought after suburb, very leafy, lots of trees here. And so the advantage of that is that the suburb is quite sought after, is that there's always demand. And at the moment the stock doesn't last very long in this area. It tends to sell within 7 to 14 days. It doesn't take long at all, and that's another thing to look at. See what the demand is like. So that's it for me. I'll keep you updated on how this one goes. Cheers.